Welcome to my YouTube channel. I am krzlcrvnts and this is my first ever video. I've decided that for my first video, I am gonna make a simple summer makeup tutorial. All the products that I am gonna use are affordable and can be found in drugstore lang. So, madali lang po kayong makakasunod sa akin. You can do this makeup by yourself. This is very easy. I also wanted to say that I am not good at this. Newbie pa lang po ako. And I do not know how to vlog or anything like that. So kung awkward yung video na to, I am really sorry. I've always wanted to try something new kasi. I've always wanted to have my own YouTube channel. Pero hindi ko kayang mag-take risk and I do not know how to edit. Ang daming factors na naghihinder sa akin, ganon. But your girl finally took the risk, so I am proud of myself. Anyway, I look so gross. I am sorry. I am just using my phone's camera kasi and low quality yung video. Sorry. Anyway, I look gross in reality naman. So what's the difference, right? Anyway, hindi ko na ito papatagalin pa. Let's get started. So, guys, hindi kasi ako naka-film kahapon. Hindi ko siya natapos. So, i-continue ko na lang siya ngayon. Hindi ko natapos kasi may errands kami kahapon. Nag-celebrate kami ng birthday ni Mama and advance celebration for Mother's Day. So, anyway, let's start. First, what I use is the No Shine Mattifier. Mabibili niyo siya sa Watsons. After that, I don't use foundation kasi. So, I am just gonna use concealer. Hindi po kasi ako nagpa-foundation. Concealer na lang yung ginagamit ko. I am using the Everbilena liquid concealer in the shade Light. After that, nilalagyan ko po ng face powder yung face ko. For my blush, I am using this clay blush at Autumn Organic. Maglalagay na po ako ng eyeshadow. For the eyeshadow, I am using this Crayons Chic Blusher from HBC in the shade Sun-Kissed. After I curl my lashes, naglalagay na po ako ng mascara. I am using the Hyper Curl Volume Express Waterproof. For my lips po, I am using this Kitten's Kiss Lip and Cheek Tint in the shade Pixie. That's it, guys. This is now my simple summer makeup tutorial. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like my video. And please hit the notification button below para ma-update kayo if I having new video na po. Thank you, loves. Bye!